Welcome everyone in the sparkling world of learning. Today our letter is F. You can find the capital F and the lowercase f on the screen. And today we will learn the sound of F through a story. And the sound of F is Yes, this is the sound of F. Once there was a fire on a factory. Woo! People were much scared and turned on their fire alarm rapidly. Soon, firemen came there with the fire engine. They used fire extinguisher and fire hydrant to fight with fire. When they took out their long nozzle, the water came out from the nozzle and it sounds like Yes, this is the sound of F. Here we should repeat the vocabulary words we got in this story. Fire factory, fire alarm, fireman, fire engine, fire extinguisher, fire hydrant. Hope you got this video good enough. For more alphabetical sound story, kindly stay with us.